conflicting signals as to whether they are committed to peace or war is very clear from the action of yesterday, from what's happened last week, from what we see happening today. And I don't think people have any illusions that the Ethiopian government is out and out to escalate this war and is not willing to accept any peaceful solution to this problem. حيزيد من التعقيدات لحل المشاكل we don't need to declare a ceasefire. War has been declared upon us, and a ceasefire would hold with those who have declared war. Clarification of what's happening on the ground here, and that's why we had this press conference. Well, you see, there is always a reaction to an action, especially when it's an act of aggression. We're patient. We would like to wait and see developments, and when there is a need for taking action, definitely we'll take action as a deterrence to escalation, as a deterrence to using force to impose any kind of condition on the ground.
So does that mean that your planes flew to Mekelle after this attack?
I have not given any instructions to the Air Force to fly until this moment, no.